Welcome to our quick guide on keeping your iPhone's battery in top shape. Let's dive into some easy tips. Firstly, avoid extreme temperatures. Your iPhone hates the heat and the cold, so keep it cool for a longer battery life. Next up, update your iOS regularly. Apple's updates often include battery performance improvements, helping your battery stay efficient. Also, monitor your battery usage. Dive into settings to see which apps are draining your battery and manage them wisely. Consider enabling low power mode. It reduces background activity and fetches less data, significantly extending your battery life when needed. Don't forget, charging your iPhone halfway is better than letting it drain to 0% or charging it to 100% all the time. Lastly, manage your screen brightness. Using auto brightness or lowering it manually can save a lot of battery power over time. Follow these simple tips, and you'll not only extend your iPhone's battery life but also its overall lifespan. Happy charging!